Mathematics, Analysis and Approaches, Paper 2, Timezone 1, HL, November 2025. This is question number 6, and this is of 5 marks. He is given as an infinite series. He says that the summation of this series from k value being 0 to infinity. That is something that we need to identify or find. And then he gives us a decimal expansion. This is a repeating decimal expansion where 53 or 53 is repeating infinitely. Now I'm going to use this to find out the value of this one. That's the question. Let's see how to do this. So what we have here is summation of k ranging from 0 to infinity, and then we have a 53 by 1000, and that's multiplied with 1 over 100 raised to the power of k. Understand this, when I say summation of, let's say, k ranging from 1 to 5 x k, it would simply mean x0 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. All right, and if in case I say it is summation of x ranging from 0 to, let's say, 3, and then I'm multiplying this with a 5, which is a constant, and then an xk, I would take the 5 common out. Yeah, I would take the 5 common out and apply the summation only to xk. I'm going to do that here. First, I'm going to take out the constant, which is 53 by 1000, and then write summation k is equal to 0 to infinity 1 over 100 raised to the power of k. Right, so 53 by 1000 is nothing but 0.053, and here I'm going to write this as 1 over 100 raised to the power of 0 plus 1 over 100 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 100 raised to the power of 2, and this will continue till infinity. Now what is this? This is nothing but a GP, and the common ratio of the GP is going to be 1 over 100, and what we are looking at is sum till infinity of a GP. So what I know is sum till infinity of the GP is a divided by 1 minus r. So I can write this as 1 plus 1 over 100 plus 1 over 100 raised to the power of 2 till infinity, and I know that the first term is a 1 and the common ratio is 1 over 100. So this can basically be written as 0.053 open parenthesis 1 divided by 1 minus 100. So this is 0.053 multiplied with 1 divided by 99 by 100. We reciprocate it. So what I remain with is 5.3 divided by 99, or I can write this as 53 by 990. So use the answer from part A to express as a fraction. Okay, let's look at that one. So let's look at 0.253 bar. Can I write this as 0.2 plus 0.053 bar? Yes, I can do that, right? So what is this further going to be equal to? 0.2 plus 0.05353, and this is going to keep continuing. I can further write this as 0.2 plus 0.053 plus 0.00053, and then the next one, which is 0.12345553, and this will continue. So this I can further write as 0.2 plus 53 divided by 1, 2, 3 zeros plus 53 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros plus 53 divided by this is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Okay, and this is going to continue. Here I can write 53 by 1000. Can take a common out here, 53 by 1000. So what I'll have is 1 plus 1 divided by 100 plus 1 divided by 100 square, and this is going to continue. Obviously this is the sum that I found in the first part, and from the first part I can simply write this as 53 by 990. And then I'm going to take an LCM.
So 0.2 into 990 is going to be simply 99 into 2 times. So 18, 198, 198 divided plus 53 is going to be 11, 15, 251 divided by 990. And that's your final solution. That's it for the video. Thank you.